This is shark. Long ago, shark traded fish for seaweed. Seaweed for shells. Shells back for fish. To get fish, shark must find the right one who needs seaweed. To get seaweed, shark must find the right one who needs shells. If shark cannot find them, no trade happens. Slow, exhausting, messy. So shark started using money. Money is not fish. Money cannot be eaten. Money does not help shark feel full. Money is just something shark believes can be exchanged for fish. Today, money is shell. Tomorrow, money could be stones. The day after, money could be anything, as long as shark and the entire ocean believes it can be used to trade goods. Money exists because of belief. When the entire ocean believes money has value, once belief is lost, money immediately becomes trash. Shark works, uses time, uses strength. Shark gets paid. Money gives shark the right to buy fish in the future. Having a lot of money does not mean shark is rich. Being able to buy a lot of fish does. If shark hides money in cave, money just sits there. It does not produce fish. Over time, the price of fish rises, money can buy fewer fish, which means money gradually becomes weaker. That is inflation. If shark invests the money, it creates more money, buys more fish. Money turns into fish, and invested money works instead of shark. Poor sharks think money is the goal. Rich sharks think money is a tool. Because money comes and goes. Fish stay. Assets stay. Shark saves money for an entire lifetime. Never invests. When shark gets old, that money buys very little fish. Shark is shocked and realizes shark was an fucking idiot. If shark is smart, shark does not love money. Shark uses money. Shark is all of us. Money is a great employee, but a terrible boss. If do not understand money, you become its slave. If understand money, you make it work for you.